Hi, I'm Nick from Euro Youth Mental Health, and I'm here to share with you today an update on what we've been up to in 2020. We didn't do one of these updates in 2020 about 2019 either, so I'm going to talk a bit about that. So the last year has obviously been very difficult for everyone with the impact of COVID-19, and our mental health has been tested, and there's been lots of things going on because of that. But just to mention some of the great work that our team have been doing over the last year, we've now got officially volunteers from 13 countries doing lots of work behind the scenes in social media, our fundraising, and various other parts of our organisation. We got 2 paid projects last year, starting to get a bit of an income, which is really nice, so that we can hopefully sustain our organisation. One of those projects was the Active Ingredients projects with funding from the Wellcome Trust in the UK, and we worked with an organisation called CORC, which stands for Child Outcome Research Consortium, based in the UK, looking at different ways young people across the world look after their mental health, or think that they can prevent and help themselves when they're having mental health problems across the world. We worked with young people from India, Kenya, Brazil, Turkey, Portugal, and that project still has an element of ongoing to it. We've got potentially more work coming up about that this year, so watch this space. The other project that myself, I just wanted to give a special shout out to Active Ingredients, to Inga and Milos as well, who are volunteers of ours but been doing paid roles for this work, and they've been doing amazing. Another paid project we had was with Missing Children Europe, who are looking to design a massive online course for professionals on how to kind of raise awareness and work with young people about running away, and how to be safe if they have run away. We've been brought in to be kind of mental health experts in youth. I myself have been part of the first area of that, looking at how to involve young people in the design of this work, and now a colleague on behalf of Euro Youth Mental Health, Micah, is helping with the design of the training and things that we're aware of. Other things worth of note, I mean, there's loads on our blog that you can read up at, but we had our first ever all-volunteer activist meeting. That was at the very beginning of last year, so that's really exciting, and that happens every month now. Our Twitter numbers have increased, our social media presence has increased, and I want to say a special shout out to Emmy, who's a volunteer activist, and she's been doing self-care Sundays for the last, I want to say, 6 months. It might be longer now. And also last year we hosted the first ever young people's focused mental health, I don't know what to call it, conference event for World Mental Health Day in October, and we're planning to make that a regular thing. These are weirdly exciting times for us in a very confusing time for the world, but we're definitely getting a bigger presence out there, and